welcome to my course, InVideo Easy Video Creation for YouTube and Facebook Marketing. My name is Brian Jackson, and I'll be your instructor for, the next minute or so. I'm the writer of a handful of books, publisher of well over 100, and educator with 46 Udemy courses to my name. This is a course about marketing, video creation, and distribution. It begins with a brief introduction in which I explain video marketing and the use of InVideo. We then use the InVideo simple method of script to video as a quick start to create our first video in InVideo. I then look at distributing marketing videos via YouTube, Facebook, email video letters, and on your web page. Then we look at option 2 for creating videos in InVideo using templates. Next, we look at creating video marketing videos that sell. And then finally look at the last method for creating videos with InVideo, the do-it-yourself from scratch method. I'll add a few odds and ends, and then I'll give you InVideo marketing video creation demonstrations. In it, you'll learn how to create marketing videos for real estate, for affiliate offers, and for other things that you might want to sell. And we'll end with the conclusion. This course is appropriate for beginners new to video marketing and experienced video marketers. And don't forget Udemy's 30-day no questions asked money back guaranteed. That should make your decision a no-brainer. So I'll see you in the classroom. This has been Brian Jackson.